All right, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, you guys already know what kind of video this is going to be. I'm turning my minister mother into a little Instagram baddie model. She does not wear makeup at all. Every time she wears makeup, she hates it. But this is just something fun to do. I'm not going to talk through this video because I am showing you guys every product that I will be using. If you guys would like to see more videos of me doing makeup on other people, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this isn't a very long video, so just stay tuned, keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to thumbs up the video. So for this look, I was going to apply the P. Louise base as a wing liner, then go over it with a red shadow and smoke it out at the bottom of the lid. But my mother was moving too fast, trying to do stuff, opened up her eyes too soon, and the base was still wet and went all over her lid. So instead of taking it all the way off, I just blended the base all through that, all over the lid, and then applied a red shadow and made it like a red smoky eye look, as you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like I said in the beginning, she don't wear makeup, so she does not know. But the whole time I'm doing her face, she was trying to cut stuff out for my wedding, and she was just kept moving around. So I had to do an alternative eye look. The eye look that I wanted to do, I'm going to do it on myself and do a video on it and show you guys. But I also want to tell you guys that I did use my eyebrow pomade on her brows, and I love how smooth and gel-like it applies. I'm going to do a tutorial just doing my brows and showing you guys that product before I drop it, so you guys can see. But let me go ahead and stop talking and let you guys finish watching the video. So this is the final makeup look. We'll go ahead and get her dressed, and we will be back. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. This is my mother to an Instagram baddie. Twerk song, show song for the people. Yeah. Yes. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes. Nope, not their hands. Alright, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share so it can get around town. Alright, till next time. Peace.